Hi traders, in this video we're looking at the MTF Fractal Indicator for MetaTrader 4. This tool displays fractal levels from multiple time frames on a single chart, so you can see key support, resistance, retracement, and reversal zones more clearly. In this tutorial you'll see what it plots, how to read its levels, and how traders typically use it within product strategies. The MTF Fractal Indicator analyzes price to identify repeating fractal patterns, and then combines them from multiple time frames into one view. It is designed to help traders spot trend retracement, trend reversals, and important support and resistance levels using fractal theory. The indicator can contribute to confirmation of trend strength when combined with other technical indicators. On the chart, up fractals are highlighted in red by default and down fractals in blue, as you can see on the chart, with each line showing where a fractal formed on a particular time frame. When you hover over a fractal line, the indicator shows details such as its time frame and price level, making it easier to see which levels come from higher time frames. These fractal lines can be treated as potential breakouts or reversal zones, and traders can monitor how price reacts around them to time entries and exits. The MTF Fractal Indicator allows you to view fractals from all time frames on a single chosen chart and offers customization over color and display, so you can integrate it into your layouts. It can be used as a component in a trading system you build or refine, and it supports any time frame from lower intraday chart to higher time frame. The indicator is useful for traders who incorporate fractal theory into their trading and want an easier way to see multi-time frame fractal information without opening multiple charts. However, it can still produce false signals in choppy conditions and cannot predict every trend, so it should be combined with other tools and ongoing analysis. Relying exclusively on it is not recommended, as it works best as part of a complete technical framework aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. You can download the MTF Fractal Indicator using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek shows how multi-time frame fractals can sharpen your view of structure, reversals, and retracements on a single screen. If you like structure-focused tools, subscribe to the Forex Geek channel and turn on notifications for more indicator tutorials.